Quotes were pondering Anne Frank on repairing the world. There is a beautiful concept in my tradition, Judaism, called Tikun Olam, which calls Jews to repair the world through action, engagement, service, and social justice. In many respects, it's very similar to the Mahayana Buddhist idea of the Bodhisattva vow, or the person who offers up a sacred statement to put the needs of others before those of her own. The Bodhisattva is one who acts from a space of selfless service. They are animated with the energy of action and motivated to help all beings wake up. In the Mahayana Buddhist tradition, the Bodhisattva delays or even forsakes his or her own enlightenment, instead choosing to stay and serve for the benefit of the enlightenment of all beings. As I ponder the shortness of life, the tragedies, the triumphs, the inequities and the unfairnesses, the pain, the progress, the laughter, and the love, I'm reminded how many Bodhisattvas are already here, some in spirit, others in memory, some still in physical form, but all in service of something bigger, bolder, and more beautiful than can be captured in a single moment or a single lifetime. The legacy of the Bodhisattva lingers. Their light reminds us we always get to choose, and no matter where we've been, no matter how hard we've fallen or stumbled or fumbled, we can always begin again. And for the Bodhisattva, the only moment that really matters is now.